Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. So once again we are continuing the direct and indirect speech lesson. So in the previous class we learned about imperative sentences. So once again we shall revise the concept and go for the next topic. So what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentences are nothing but they talk about the advices, request, suggestions, orders. So these are the imperative sentences. So yesterday we learned how to convert them into indirect speech. So let me give some more examples about the imperative sentences. See this one. She said to me, please help me. This is imperative sentence. Please, the word here please is a clue to identify that it is an imperative sentence. So, what is the rule yesterday I told you? We should use to. And as usual we change the pronouns and also the tenses. So, how do you change it into imperative sentence? So, please is an imperative sentence. So, we write request. It is please means it is a request. Please go and close the door. Please go and bring me some glass of water. So, all these are requests. So, here we write request. So, she requested me. She requested me. Here we should write to help. She means female, so her. She requested me to help her. This is how we change the imperative sentences. Let us see another example. Doctor said to him, avoid unhealthy food. Now please don't take unhealthy food. So it is a suggestion given by the doctor to the patient. So it is also an imperative sentence. So same way, how do we change it? The doctor said to, suggested or advised. The doctor suggested, or we can write advised the patient. Here patient is not given, so no need to write it. The doctor suggested him. Here we should write to. Doctor suggested or advised him to avoid unhealthy food. Very simple, you know. Next. If imperative sentences are given in the public exams, we can write them very easily. It's a happy news for the 10th class students. Within few days the government is going to release the schedule of your public exams. So from now onwards you prepare well for your exams, okay? He said to his servant, clean the room. So it is very clear, you know that clear the room is an order. So we generally, the owners order the servants to clean the rooms. So it is an order. So it is an imperative sentence. So for imperative sentences we use to. He ordered. He ordered his servant to clean the room. So once again remember, after to we should write V1 form, verb V1 form. Come, eat, run. So these are the V1 forms. So we should write only the V1 form of the verb after to. So one more example. So I think with this example, you can clarify all the doubts regarding the imperative sentences in direct indirect speech. The boss said to the employee, get out of my room. Get out of my room. It is an order. Okay? So it is an imperative sentence. Once again, the boss said to. In place of said to, we write ordered. The boss ordered the employee. In place of comma, we write to. To get out of. In place of my, we write his. The employee to get out of his room, remove the inverted commas. So far, is it clear about the imperative sentences, general sentences, or ordinary sentences, interrogative, and imperative? Next, we are going to learn about exclamatory sentences. Next, we are going to learn about exclamatory sentences. Okay?